What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna start working out today. I need it. I need it bad. I done gained a few pounds, well, a lot of pounds. So today I'm gonna put my Missy Elliott suit on and we're gonna ride up to the wellness center and work out. They give them some time to train for football and give me some time to get these muscles back right and lose some weight. So we're gonna take y'all on this journey and watch what I do. I'm gonna lose about 1,000 pounds in about a week.
Yeah, you've been trying to do that for the past 10 years.
Who cares? I'm gonna lose it. So stay tuned. Legs hurting already.
Alright, y'all, we here. Finna go inside and get some work in. Finna do some bench,
Curls.
yeah.
Gotta work on my stomach, on the core. I'm gonna focus on the core. That's where all the food at.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna go home and take some nigga magnesia and get the rest of it out. We'll catch y'all inside. Peace out. I done did about 300 of these already. 5 sets. I done did about 10 sets of these already. Yeah. I did 10 sets. 7 sets, man. I see it tightening up already. I got one back. Yeah, I'm screwing. I got it. I'm gonna do one more set of 100. That was 10. I'm out doing it. I do this for fun.
You barely made it right now.
Hey, I made it. I need some water. I noticed our battery going there before it go there. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Tyrone and TJ is going down in the weight room. I done lost about 15 pounds. Gonna lose 30 more.
Look like you finna go there.
Where I'm from? Woo! I need an ass like something. Gas in my stomach out a little bit. Or just past gas. That way I can go all the way down with the squats. But I'm gonna need about 10 sets of these. I did 100. How you know you gonna?
You ain't gonna know the end of that. Oh,
How many I did?
like 3.
Nope. I need to get built before my birthday. Look like I got a whole time. Little girl, take time. You got a girl.
Get like one of the
Well, I like these though. Wait till it starts raining. I'll put the whole suit on. I'll do that. Play a Missy Elliott song.
This is my last one.
Mine too. And another thing, if y'all at the gym, use these. Wipe the equipment down. You don't want the cooties. Nor the coat. Be safe. Comment down below who looked the swolest, Tyrone or TJ. I already know it's gonna be me, bro.
My arm is about to get in there too.
Get your ass. All right, our workout ain't over yet, but we're gonna go ahead and end this because the battery's about to go dead. I wanna thank y'all for watching. I'm about to go ahead and lose the extra 30 pounds. I'm trying to put some weight on him.